Welcome along to this latest weather update from the Met Office. Something of a three-way split this Wednesday. If we take a look at the bigger picture from space, there's a lot of clouds across the UK. That was the situation on Wednesday morning. Low pressure sitting up to the northwest, and it's this weather front that's making that three-way split. Notice clearer skies on the satellite image moving into Scotland and Northern Ireland, so skies brightening here. That weather front providing thick cloud and outbreaks of rain over parts of Wales and northwest England, particularly over the hills. So Snowdonia, parts of Cumbria, and so also parts of the Yorkshire Dales. Bit of a rain shadow, so perhaps not that much rain falling through parts of Liverpool and Manchester. But further south it stays generally dry, quite cloudy, but some brightness is possible here, and that could really shift the temperatures up. Further north, very windy over northern Scotland. Showers packing in here, but some sunshine over much of Scotland and Northern Ireland. We'll see temperatures get up to 9, maybe 10 Celsius, but cooler air generally compared to further south. Obviously feeling pretty cool with the persistent rain over North Wales and parts of northwest England. But in the south, yes, it's windy, but 14, 15 degrees Celsius, maybe 16 in one or two places. Pretty mild for the time of year. As we go through this evening, that rain kind of eases for a time, grinds to a halt, and then starts to push back further north through the night. So stays wet in North Wales, parts of Cumbria, and the rain spreads back to Northern Ireland and southern Scotland by morning. To further south, it's generally a dry night and a very mild night as well. We've got the colder air in across Scotland, so down to single figures here. A pocket or two of frost is possible in rural parts as the winds finally ease across northern Scotland through the night. On to the details for Thursday. It is a bit of a mishmash, a wet start for Northern Ireland. The rain will trickle its way steadily northwards through the central belt. Quite a wet day here. Turning a bit drier, certainly for North Wales and northwest England for a time. Some brighter skies over central and eastern England, bit of sunshine before more showery rain comes into Wales, the Midlands and southern England later on. Northern Ireland might brighten up a touch. Still breezy for most, but not as windy as today, and the wind's certainly lighter in northern Scotland, where it'll just about stay dry probably until dusk. Temperatures here again single figures, so again quite a contrast between England and Wales, where we see some sunshine, easily 16 degrees. We could even get a degree or two higher in one or two places, whereas with the rain and the snow over the tops of the mountains, temperatures in Scotland are going to stick in single figures, generally feeling pretty cold here, I suspect. That wet weather will, with, as I say, some snow on the tops of the mountains, will continue through Thursday evening. Elsewhere, we're just left with some clearer spells and plenty more showers to come in, and that leads us into a fairly showery Friday. For more details on the longer term, you can catch our 10-day trend video. That'll be available on YouTube by Wednesday afternoon.